Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nadi Zalianti. So today I'm going to present about my thesis proposal titled Conversational Analysis on Maleficent, Mistress of Evil 2019 film. Next. First one is about introduction. So this chapter represents about the background of the study, research question, objective of the study, significance and of the study, scope and limitation, and definition of the key terms. So the background of the study. Conversation is a cooperative interaction between the speaker and a listener. People should have awareness when is the right time to speak in order to make the conversation flow smoothly, according to you. So the conversational analysis is the way to analyze the human interaction between the others, according to G. and Hanford. So in this research, the researcher find the Maleficent, Mistress of Evil 2019 film is suitable as an object to analyze the aspects of conversational analysis. So the first one is presents about the research question. So the research question is how the conversational style used by main characters in Maleficent, Mistress of Evil 2019 film. And the objective of the study is to find how the conversational style used by main characters in Maleficent, Mistress of Evil 2019 film. So the significance of the study, the first one is the theoretically, the study is to enhance the base of theoretical conversational analysis in pragmatics. And practically, the study is to help the next researcher to see the pragmatic perspective in Maleficent, Mistress of Evil 2019 film. Scope and limitation. So the scope of this research focused on conversational analysis in pragmatics, and the limitation of this research only focused on the characters in Maleficent, Mistress of Evil 2019 film. And the next one is about definition of the key terms. So there are three of the key terms. The first one is the pragmatics. So according to Levinson, pragmatic is the study of language use. The second one is, according to Levinson again, conversational analysis is a linguistic discipline that deals with several aspects, namely sequences of opening and closing, and etc. And the last one is, according to Hornby, form is a bunch of a moving picture with a sound that tells a story. And the next one is about the review of related literature. So this chapter presents the review of related literature. Those are the definition of pragmatics, the theory of conversational analysis, including turn-taking, adjacency pairs, preference organization, feedback, repair, and the previous study. So pragmatics. According to Levinson, pragmatics is a branch of linguistics that studies how contexts affect the meaning and interpretation of language, focused on the speaker. It is focused on the way speaker use language to convey meaning, either it is beyond literal or dictionary definition of words and sentences. Pragmatics also focus on all the aspects that not captured in semantic theory. And the next one is conversational analysis. So according to Paltrage, conversational analysis is an approach to analyze the spoken discourse that focuses on how people manage their conversational encounters. So these are the aspects of conversational analysis. The first one is turn-taking. The second one is adjacency pair. The next one is preference organization. The fourth one is feedback, and the last one is repair. So the researcher found three related previous studies about this research. The first one is conversation analysis in The Man Who Knew Infinity movie by Nur Mahardika, Elis Rahayu Rohandia, M. and Samsudin Rois. The second one is conversational analysis on interview with Prime Minister Julia Gillard in Sky News Australia channel by Walifa Telmensi Sitepu, Ridwan Hanafiah, and Titi Raya Zain. The last one is about conversational analysis on Sing 2 movie by Inanda Maharani and Setio Prasianto. So in the chapter 3 is about research methods. So this chapter presents the research design, data and data source, research instrument and data collection and data analysis. So in this research, the researcher uses a qualitative research as the research design. According to Creswell 2012, qualitative research is a purpose for exploring and understanding the meaning either it is individuals or groups to set down this social human problem. The next one is data and data source. The data of this research in the form of narration, dialogue of the Maleficent, Mistress of Evil 2019 film. The researcher also uses journal, textbooks, and the transcript of the film as a supportive data in this research. The next one is about the research instrument. So in this part, is the research instrument of this research is the researcher herself. The researcher will be the key instrument to collect and analyze the data. The next one is about data collection techniques. So the researcher formulates two data collection techniques as below. The first one is the researcher will watch the movie titled Maleficent, Mistress of Evil 2019. The second one is the researchers highlights and classify the data of Maleficent, Mistress of Evil 2019 movie. And the next one is the data analysis technique. After collecting the data, the researcher will analyze the data by using the qualitative method according to Creswell. The researcher adapts 5 steps as below. The first one is prepare and organize the data. The second one is watch or looking the data. The third one is highlight or mark the data. The fourth, analyze the data. 5, make the conclusion. Okay, I think that's all from me. Thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.